Hi guys, in this video I will share with you 5 ways you can make money online with graphic design even as a beginner. You can use your phone for most of these and make up to $100 daily. So follow along and make sure you subscribe to my channel and smash the notification button. 1. Design logos and business cards. 2 of the most popular work people outsource to graphic designers are logo and business card designs. People need logos for their stores, businesses, or personal identities. If you have the skill to design logos and business cards, you can offer it and get paid on sites like Fiverr, People Per Hour, or Upwork. You can also set up as a business and offer this skill to friends and family. I have tutorials on my channel on how to design logos and business cards on your phone completely for free, so check it out. 2. Design social media posts. As more businesses are coming online, they need designs to communicate better with their audience. If you have basic knowledge of typography, composition, and color, you can design social media posts and get paid on freelance websites like Quicking Gigs and Fiverr. Clients need feed posts, thumbnails, ad covers, and so on for their Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram account, and even on their websites. And again, you can do this easily with your phone. 3. Sell on print-on-demand websites. This is one of my favorite ways of making money online. These sites allow you to create designs and upload them on their products. So when a customer buys any of these products and it gets shipped, you'll earn a commission, which can vary from $1 to up to $20 per product. You can upload your designs on t-shirts, mugs, posters, and many more. You can sign up today and upload up to 50 designs on sites like Redbubble and teepublic. Match by Amazon is the biggest of all, but it is an invite-only program. You can make selling designs on your phone and upload them to these sites completely on your mobile devices. 4. Sell t-shirt designs. T-shirt design is so popular when it comes to freelancing, and if you can design for POD sites, you can design for POD sellers, companies, or groups who need it for their campaigns. And it doesn't have to be a great artwork before you can sell, as buyers do look for typography, minimal and creative designs many times. I have tutorials on how to do this on my channel, so you should check it out. Use sites like Fiverr or Upwork and make money for yourself. 5. Sell stock photos and videos. Yes, you can take photos and shoot videos to earn a commission anytime a sale is made. With sites like Shutterstock, Alamy, or Photolia, you can make recurring income with your phone. Though this is done mostly with a camera, but as more phones are getting better with their camera quality, you can shoot 1080 pixels to 4K photos and videos with your mobile devices. Which of these ways are you using to make money online? Let me know in the comments below. So that's it for today. Make sure you like this video and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Thanks.